Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to concatenate three columns and make a string and split that string with the new lines. So we'll learn how to split a string with the new lines. Okay. So here I have three columns. So I want to form the fourth column with this string with the new lines. Okay. Apple, banana and guava. So fourth column, I want to get this output. Okay. So let's see how to do it. So we'll take a new column and write a DAX for it. So let's say column 1. Okay. Concatenate. Okay. With the column 2. Okay. Concatenate with the column 3. But I want new lines, right? After each word. So I have to concatenate UNICAHR 10. Okay. So UNICAHR number is 10, right? So here also I want to concatenate UNICAHR 10. Okay, here, right? So between each word, I am putting the UNICAHR 10 so that it will split the string into new lines. Okay, let's see that. So here we won't see that new line characters. So come to the data model here, data view, power view here, and make a table. Okay, table visual, and try to load these columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3, right? And put our calculated column. So like this, you will get the output with the strings concatenation and splitting the string into new lines. Okay, guys, with UNICAHR 10. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.